Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and making a simple base. This speeds construction and prevents mess. Once you have thermocol sheets, tear them into varied 0.52 cm chunks to mimic fluff. The size variation gives depth. Make a cloud outline on cardboard and cut a lightweight base to match. Heat your glue gun and arrange piles of pieces nearby for staging. You do this now so placement is deliberate, which reduces rework and creates a natural, layered cloud effect. You assemble the cloud by working from the center outward, gluing larger thermocol pieces, first to build volume and stability. Once done, add successive layers of smaller pieces on top to simulate soft edges and subtle shadows. This layering creates the light, airy look. Make sure to leave some gaps for depth, then fill with shredded bits to smooth transitions. Use brief glue dabs and press gently so pieces fuse without melting excessively. This preserves texture and avoids glossy spots. You finish by priming the thermocol with a thinned white acrylic coat to seal and reduce absorbency. 2 light coats prevent clumping and preserve fluff. Once dry, add subtle gray or pale blue washes in recessed areas to create shadow and realism. Make sure to dry fully between layers to avoid melting the thermocol. If parts shift or gaps appear, patch with shredded bits and hot glue, then touch up paint. This quick fix restores shape without rebuilding the whole cloud.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.